I mean, I don't care, honestly. The only sad part is like maybe like it's gonna affect the streak thing, 6 in a row. But I mean, everyone knows who won.
Yeah, Birmingham, first practice went well. Dealing with a lot today. We got the heat, we got a big track, and we're dealing with a lot of boulders out there, so we got our hands full today.
Hey, that's not bad. That's some way to start out an East-West shootout. Still undefeated in heat races, and technically a main event, so a lot of people wondering what he's gonna do tonight. Yeah. He's doing what he always does.
B-Ham, you know what that means? Hey, we're close to Alabama, from Detroit!
That was a wild one. Not a good start. Man, we fought our heart out. Deegan, that was good. Start to finish, didn't stop.
We just got word about the penalization. What is your response to it? Do you agree?
I mean, I don't care, honestly. The only sad part is like maybe like it's gonna affect the streak thing, 6 in a row. But I mean, everyone knows who won. I freaking started 10th place, ran over a marker, and I get docked. So a little gift to the East boys, but I mean, I kicked their butt straight up.